Hello guys, today we are in the fifth sea day. It's middle of the Pacific Oceans. You can see the small island here. This is called the Christmas Island. We're crossing to the Christmas Island to go to the France.
Marty, or Christmas Island, we have covered a distance of 55 nautical miles with an average speed of 16 knots. The remaining distance to cover to our next port of call, Papeete in Tahiti, is 1240.
Now I'm going to the salon to color my hair. Let's see which color I have to apply my hair. I met the Indian guy. He's going to my colors. His name is Mr. Aman. Now he's going to do my colors.
So I took mine like around 4:30 I guess.
At 4:30.
So nice. 4:30 in the afternoon. See? Say hi. Hi! And then now I feel my all of my I'm salon.
No, I don't want to drink.
Aman, you're not going to drink.
Let's go there, Aman. Don't go to the gym. You want your photo by Salon?
Yeah, you're not.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know gym.
Let me finish it. I'm gonna touch your photo.
The shampoo.
Let's go.
Please ask. Dia kalau boleh cari